The DJI NEO series has already established itself as a game-changer in the mid-range drone market. Designed to strike a balance between affordability and advanced functionality, these drones have become a favorite among users who demand performance without breaking the bank. The first-generation NEO offered impressive features like intelligent flight modes, robust build quality, and a reliable camera system. The upcoming DJI NEO 2 promises to take this legacy to new heights by incorporating cutting-edge technology and addressing feedback from its predecessor. With rumors swirling about its potential features, the NEO 2 is shaping up to be a versatile tool for photographers, videographers, and explorers. What's new in the DJI NEO 2? While DJI has remained tight-lipped about the exact specifications of the NEO 2, industry insiders and leaks have provided us with a glimpse of what to expect. Here's a breakdown of the most talked-about upgrades. 1. Extended battery life. One of the most significant improvements expected in the DJI NEO 2 is its battery life. The new model is rumored to offer flight times of up to 40 minutes, a substantial upgrade from its predecessor. This enhancement will allow users to capture more footage and explore larger areas without worrying about frequent recharges. 2. Advanced AI capabilities. Artificial intelligence is becoming a cornerstone of drone technology, and the NEO 2 is no exception. Expect features like Subject Tracking 3.0, enhanced tracking algorithms to follow moving subjects with greater precision, obstacle avoidance, improved sensors to navigate complex environments safely, intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint for dynamic and creative shots. 3. Enhanced camera system. The NEO 2 is likely to feature a 4K HDR camera capable of capturing stunning visuals. With improved low-light performance and a higher dynamic range, this drone is set to deliver professional-grade footage. Additionally, its ability to shoot in RAW format will provide creators with greater flexibility in post-production. 4. Improved build and portability. Portability is a key consideration for drone users. The NEO 2 is rumored to feature a more compact and foldable design, making it easier to carry on adventures. Despite its smaller size, it's expected to maintain a robust build quality to withstand various environmental conditions. 5. Long-range transmission. DJI's proprietary OcuSync technology could see further enhancements in the NEO 2, offering a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. This will enable seamless live feeds and greater control, even in challenging terrains. Target audience. Who is the NEO 2 for? The DJI NEO 2 is designed to cater to a wide range of users. 1. Content creators, videographers, and photographers will appreciate the NEO 2's high-quality camera and intelligent flight modes. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or dynamic action shots, this drone offers the tools you need to elevate your content. 2. Hobbyists. For casual users who enjoy exploring the world of drones, the NEO 2 provides an accessible entry point. Its intuitive controls and user-friendly features make it ideal for beginners and enthusiasts alike. 3. Explorers and adventurers. With its extended battery life and portability, the NEO 2 is a perfect companion for outdoor adventures. Whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring remote locations, this drone ensures you never miss a moment. The DJI NEO 2 is expected to launch in mid-2025, with a price point that positions it firmly in the mid-range category. While exact pricing details remain speculative, industry experts anticipate a range of $600 to $800. Depending on the configuration, the drone market is becoming increasingly competitive, with brands pushing the boundaries of technology to stand out. The DJI NEO 2 represents a strategic move to solidify DJI's dominance in the mid-range segment. By combining advanced features with an affordable price, the NEO 2 ensures that DJI remains a top choice for a diverse audience. If you're in the market for a drone, the DJI NEO 2 is worth the wait. Its combination of advanced features, improved performance, and competitive pricing make it a strong contender in the mid-range category. Whether you're a seasoned creator or a first-time buyer, the NEO 2 promises to deliver an exceptional experience. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official launch of the DJI NEO 2. With its potential to revolutionize the drone industry, this is one release you won't want to miss.